Welcome to my channel. Here I'm going to show you how you can make your hair grow in 1 week with just few items that you need. Watch out. Note that you are going to mix all these things together. We have Mega Growth Hair Wonder, coconut oil, and then we also have a soulmate herbal. Then we have a TCB herbal, TCB hair cream. So you're going to mix all these together. Mix them in a bowl. Mix them very properly. You understand? Make sure that it's well mixed together with your hands. You can also use a stick to mix it up. You understand? To have a proper mixture. If you have an electric mixer, you can use it. And this is the outcome of the hair cream. You're going to see results. You're going to start seeing results after 1 week when you start using this cream. It's going to be, in fact, it's going to amaze you how this will turn up. You understand? Start using it. You understand? You are going to see results after 1 week. In fact, it's like a magic. So this is how to use it. Please watch out.